Hello viewers, Holi Sale is going to start in Flipkart and in Amazon.in in the next month, but before that many people have many questions regarding tablets. Today in this video I have picked some of the questions and I will try to answer those questions. I think those questions will be helpful for the users who want to buy the right tablet during Holi Sale. Actually, some users are confused between Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. There is a difference in processor in both the devices. Tab S9 is definitely better than Tab S9 FE Plus. But in previous sales like Big Billion Days sale or Republic Day sale, we saw that Tab S9 FE Plus was available at a price point of 23 to 24,000 rupees. So many people bought that tablet. But similarly, Tab S9 was available at a price point of 35 to 37,000 rupees during offers. But if you have a budget of 35 or above, I will definitely recommend you to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 because that will be value for money for long-term usage. You can edit your videos on Tab S9 better than Tab S9 FE Plus because the processor is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on S9, whereas in Tab S9 FE Plus you will get only Exynos 1380 processor, which is not so powerful. Next, some users want to know which tablet is best for video editing in the Android market and their budget is only 20,000 rupees. Actually, not too many tablets are available in the price bracket of 20,000 with a good processor, but I will suggest some of the tablets that will be best for video editing in this price bracket of 20,000 rupees. The first tablet is Mi Pad 6. If you have a tight budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case you can buy this tablet, but you should not worry about the future software updates because software update cycle is not so good on Mi Pad. If you want to buy Samsung tablet, in that case you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE that comes with Exynos 1380 processors. However, you cannot expect high-end video editing with Tab S9 FE. You have other options like Poco Pad 5G and Oneplus Pad Go. Also, you can buy Lenovo Tab Plus. Many students actually want to know about iPad 10th generation because their primary focus is note taking and also PDF reading, and also some users want to edit videos on their tablet. So if you have these three requirements, in that case iPad 10th generation will be a solid device to buy. But the only downside with the base version is that it comes with only 64 GB of internal storage. Even I am using 64 GB of internal storage and I edit all my videos on iPad 10th generation and I have to keep deleting things regularly and I don't mind it actually. So if you have no worry of storing too much images and videos in your iPad, in that case iPad 10th generation 64 GB may be a good option for you. During offers you can buy this iPad 10th generation at 26 to 27,000 rupees. Some user asked me about whether they can edit videos on iPad 10th generation in offline mode. The answer is yes, you can edit in offline mode using various apps. Suppose I use InShot video editing app and I find it no difficulty in editing my videos in 4K 60 FPS. Again, some users are asking me about the card offers in Holi Sale, which card will be available for discount. Actually, Flipkart has not yet mentioned about the availability of offers on which card they will give, but I think Axis Bank credit card and HDFC and ICICI Bank, these three banks may be available for discounts. I will let you know as soon as I come to know from various sources. So these are some questions that people asked me frequently, so I thought it would be wise to answer all the questions in a video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions in a separate video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.